Steno dictation. Start. Before I proceed further, I must state with all humility at my command that as I begin to pen this judgment, the enormity of its impact on the society was not lost on me. Full stop. I do not lay claim to being the repository of all wisdom that must be brought to bear in dealing with a sensitive issue that I am to rule on. Full stop. That said, it is incumbent on courts to take decisions concerning complex social issues and not drip past them, as that is the mandate of the Constitution and therefore a duty and obligation which must be discharged if one is to remain true to the oath taken under the Constitution. Full stop. Thus, the action on behalf of the institution is that one way or the other the issue ought to have been laid to rest much earlier. Full stop. Para. As was evident to us during the hearing that both within the court and outside people all across have views concerning the issue at hand which vary in their contour and texture depending on which side of the debate they fall on. The legal issue, though, rests in a narrow space. Full stop. Para. The moot point is bracket start, which is a more particular version of what was stated right at the beginning, bracket close, whether or not exception 2 appended to section 375 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 bracket start, hereafter referred to as IPC bracket close, should remain on the statute. Full stop. Having said that, it is the impact and its ripple effect in law that one is required to grapple with. Full stop. Thus, those who support the proposition that exception 2 to section 375 of the IPC, which should be struck down, broadly contend that it is an archaic provision which represents the most objectionable vestiges of colonialism, while those who argue that the provision should be retained on the statute contend that striking down the provision is fraught with the danger of disrupting marital and familial relationships, triggering misuse of law and transgression of the constitutional periphery within which the courts are obliged to function. Full stop. Para. At this juncture, I must also advert to the fact that those who seek striking down of exception 2 to section 375 of the IPC in consonance with the arguments advanced qua The said provision also seeks striking down of section 376B, which concerns sexual relationship. Full stop. Consequently, prayer is also made for striking down section 198B of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 bracket start, hereafter referred to as the code bracket clause, which prohibits a court from taking cognizance of an offence punishable under section 376B of the IPC except upon satisfaction of the facts which constitute the offence once a complaint is lodged by the wife against her husband. Full stop. Over.